Hi, this is Todd Olthoff, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week we will continue our look at Luminar 4 by Skylum Software. In part 1 of this screencast, I walk you through the options, installation and setup of the application, how Luminar 4 handles photo management, and some of the basic editing features available in the application. If you haven't had a chance to view that video yet, you may want to do that before viewing this one, as it will give you a good understanding of how the application and interface works. In this week's show, we will take a deeper dive into the editing tools that make Luminar 4 such a powerful application. There are some pretty unique editing tools that are only available in Luminar, and since Luminar includes so many tools, we will hit some of my favorites in this screencast, as we couldn't possibly cover each of them individually. We will also look at how to use the application as a plugin with your other favorite photo applications, like Apple's Photos app, and ways that you can export and back up your photos. So let's jump in with some of the essential editing tools included in Luminar 4. Now, to get started with editing your photos in Luminar 4, you want to be in the Edit view, which is what we're in right now. And you can see that I've got a number of tools in here. Along the sidebar are a number of tabs over here. The first one is Layers. I've got Canvas, and we covered the Canvas tools in our previous screencast. And then as far as direct editing tools, we've got 4 categories over here on the side. We've got Essentials, we've got Creative, we've got Portrait, and we have Professional. Now, this is different than Luminar 3. In Luminar 3, you could create what was called Workspaces, where you could take some of these tools that are in here, take the ones you like or use most often, order them however you want, and then create a workspace for them. And that would allow you to use your workflow with only the tools that you would use. In this case, Luminar 4 has removed that feature, so you no longer have the option to use Workspaces. For some people, that will be a huge change. For others who didn't use Workspaces, then it won't make too much of a difference, and this organization might work a little better for you. So that's one of those things that's no longer there. Hopefully they'll bring it back in a future release, but I just wanted to make you aware of that for those of you that are coming from Luminar 3 to Luminar 4. We also have down here a history area where we can see the history of edits that we've done to a photo. And then right here with these ellipses, I can reset adjustments, sync them, copy them, paste them, and then I can also choose to hide the histogram here. So those are the organization of the tools down the side. What we're going to do is focus on these 4 in here, and we're going to start with the Essentials panel.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.